In this video we are going to give you some important tips for oily skincare. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you will know when we publish a new video. Having oily skin is nothing to be ashamed of, even though people with oily skin may feel otherwise. To always be looking in the mirror and seeing that shine, to see one's makeup running because of being caught in this oil, and to suffer breakouts because of that excess oil can be constantly frustrating and embarrassing at the same time. But if you follow a few simple steps and are mindful of some important tips for oily skincare, you may find that you have a lot less of that excessive oil and a lot less frustrations in trying to deal with it. Oily skin can actually be a good thing, as oil helps to keep the skin soft and supple and acts as a natural barrier between the skin and outside irritants. So oily skin doesn't necessarily mean trying to get rid of all the oil on your skin. Let's look at this issue a bit closer and see what we can do about oily skin without damaging it. First of all, keep in mind when considering oily skincare that the body often overreacts to a lack of oil on the skin by producing even more than before. This should serve as a caution when you're tempted to use very harsh products or to overdo your routine so that you get absolutely every drop of oil off of your face. Many people make this mistake with oily skin and then wonder why they see more oil after they clean than they had before. Oil protects the skin, and the body does what it needs to do to protect itself, including making as much oil as it thinks it needs when its natural oil source is washed away. Never think that oily skincare means overdoing it. Cleaning is an important part of caring for oily skin, but again, you don't want to overdo it during this process either. Usually, a good cleaning once at night is all that's needed, and the use of a toner in the morning will get off any excess oil that's formed overnight. Many people think that to cure oily skin means cleaning their face again during the day, but this may just irritate the skin and cause it to create even more oil than before. Powder doesn't always do a good job either, because it may absorb oil but it leaves the powder behind, which can mean clogged pores and breakouts. Instead, a few blotter sheets available from the pharmacy or just blotting the face very gently with paper towels is usually better. Good oily skincare can also include a moisturizer, which may help the skin to calm down those oil glands and level off somewhat. Those with oily skin usually prefer a light moisturizer rather than something that is heavy and greasy. Apply this at night and again in the morning. If you remember these basic oily skincare tips, you'll no doubt notice a vast improvement in your skin's overall appearance and tone. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you liked this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and of course, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are notified when we publish a new video.